So yeah, I go a little bit lower, but get all that up. Instead of having what I had in front of the door, I'm putting that in front of the door. It's gonna stop the wind getting better. From all the roots. But they see a sap coming out the tree. Size of my boot, that deep. Gave me a lot of room for my head. This feel good right here. I like it. So I'm remove them bricks, knock that out. I'm gonna get this area right here tomorrow. Stuff on the rug, so it's gonna be hard to move the rug, but the dirt easy to go through. So I'll post these tomorrow. I'm going to this rug. First piece of mud. Level this out. Create a wall better than hay. Now, deep it is right now. Right there. You see it's ground level to the seat. So you'll know how high or how low I dug. So the ground is level to the seat now.